Okay, day number 2 of the blizzard. So it's February 11th at this moment. Um, yeah, just thought I would touch base and keep you guys informed. I posted that video when it started blizzarding and discussing what it takes for a couple to live aboard a boat during the harsh conditions of winter. So, first of all, buddy, if she wakes up, like I said in the first one, she's not warm, that could pose an issue. So you can see my breath right now, and the wood stove's going. So I don't know what temperature it is out, but I'm telling you it's cold. So yeah, I have the boat still insulated with all the blankets and stuff, because I've got this glass hatches here. Okay, let's see. I think I'm kind of stuck. Oh. Let's take a look. Whoa. Hard to get out of there. Wow, look at all the people in the airplane. It's a float plane dock there. It's just crowded in there. Yeah. Nice and chilly. I'll do a floating igloo. Day number 2. It's supposed to be like this all week. I'm telling you, dude, if she wakes up and comes out to this, more than likely you guys will be moving to a dock, moving on land, or getting a divorce. There's only a few people that can do this. The crazy ones. Okay, I think you guys got the point. But dude, I'm telling you, it's for a rare breed. So if you're gonna go somewhere, you're gonna live on a boat, think about the Caribbean. You know, follow Rick Moore or Delos or Sailing Frenchman or Sailing Tarka, Ren. There's tons. Whew. Lord of mercy. Okay. Just want to make sure everybody's safe. I'll get back to you. I'm starting to ramble again. I get camera shy. And then I lose track of what I'm trying to talk about. But peace out. One love. One hype. One Heineke.